Hello and welcome to another update video about the GRT, the graph. The graph or the chart is still in the support zone here for this B wave correction, or maybe even wave 4 correction. That would be a bit more bullish, but it depends on where the price now sees a reaction. Both wave counts are possible, but they still don't give me a great, let's say, a great feel about this chart. This is all based on corrective structures, okay? And the price even made a new all-time low if you disregard the start of the startup candle, but it's basically a new all-time low in the bear market. And then since then, that initial rally was in 3 waves. We have a strong decline. That rally was in 3 waves. There is just not anything clearly bullish here about this chart, okay? Other than it making higher highs. It hasn't even put in a higher low really. Yeah, here it did, but it needs another higher low, and we need a confirmation that we're turning around here. I have added this parallel or this corrective price channel. You could say not really corrective price channel. It's possibly it's a channel for a diagonal, you know. So we have to pay attention in case we get an upside breakout. We have to pay attention to the upper boundary line. There could be some resistance there. The downside, we have the lower boundary line, which is, yeah, it's got only to 1 touch point, but it's a parallel channel. So we'll see if it can hold there. It is close to the area around 12 to 15 cents where I would expect support. At the moment, and I try to make the chart a bit cleaner, we have touched a 50% retracement at 19.6 cents, but I'm not confident a low is in. First of all, there is no reaction to it. And the 100% extension, so if I look at the sub-wave structure here, A, B, C, and whether that's an ABC structure in yellow wave 4, which would lead to a wave 5 rally, or in the white B wave, which allows for a lower decline or a stronger decline, maybe even touching the lower boundary line, the 100% extension of the C wave is at 14.8 cents. So this is something where the price should actually ideally get there. Okay, so the micro count of this correction is the same for wave 4 and wave B. It's just that a wave 4 ideally doesn't break below the 50% fib level. I assume it will, but really shouldn't break below the 61.8 retracement. Anything below that gives us clarity. Clarity is good. So I would then rather focus on the white count only, or maybe even something more bearish. But it, now it's between wave 4 and B. So we're just watching for a potential reversal and the first breakout of the corrective price channel. That's, I think, as accurate as it gets on this chart. That price channel is something I'm observing closely. This is really a corrective price channel because an upside breakout could indicate an early reversal. Until that happens, I'm watching for at least one more low to target 15.7 cents next, which is the 61.8 retracement of the last rally, or the 100% fib extension, which is the, as I said, 100% extension of the internal A wave, which could, give us an additional level to watch. In addition to that, the area around that 14.8 to 15.7 cent level, I mean, that's confluence, right? Fibonacci confluence, a couple of levels aligning there, so it's worth paying attention to it. That's my update about GRT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.